There you have it, folks. The Engwe Engine Pro folding fat tyre electric bike. Now we're just going to have a little walk around. I'm going to show you some of the components. And we'll start off with these suspension forks, which fairly basic coil sprung variety, but they do work. We've got these Chow Young fat tyres. Logan hydraulic disc brakes. These actually work okay. I mean, I've come down some steep descents and so far so good. They are set up with the rear brake on the right and the front brake on the left. Just bear that one in mind. There we go, we have an HLT 100 rear shock absorber. Yeah, so we've got a 8-speed Shimano drivetrain with a Altus rear derailleur. I do believe that's an 11-32 cassette, it may be 11-28. Folding pedals. You've got a really nice sturdy luggage rack. The rear rack here is going to be suitable for putting anything on. You know, you could even put a cargo. You know, I thought about putting a big basket on it, it'd be quite good. The rear light works really well. It doubles up as a brake light, so when you slow down it gets brighter. Here's your gear shifter. That's your display. So I've done a total of 12.7 miles and I've used up 31% of the battery, which isn't actually too bad. That's your throttle. We've got a little horn here which makes a strange beeping noise. This is your keypad. This one here changes max speed, average speed, total distance, trip distance and power output. I just got it set on trip distance at the moment. Now if you press and hold these two buttons here, the plus and minus key, you get through to the advanced settings menu. Here you can reset your trip or go to a factory reset. Here you can set units, kilometers or miles an hour, brightness, auto power off, the speed limit. I think we automatic headlights, we got the regen function. Here you can actually change the parameters of the pedal assist, which is a really neat feature. That's something I'm really impressed with. It's not something you usually see on e-bikes, especially cheaper e-bikes like this. So basically you can change the percentage of assist in each different power mode. So yeah, that's the display. Right, the motor, it's a 750 watt brushless geared hub motor. It's yeah, it performs quite well. It's quite noisy in operation, but you know, so far so good. It does seem to be performing as expected. I wouldn't say it's not as smooth or as quiet as the Pafang hub motor used on the Russia XF800. Right, your battery is in here. It's a 48 volt 16 amp hour battery, and again, you know, like I said, I've done 12.7 miles, used up 30% of the battery, which is probably about right on a bike of this kind. Now this key here is what switches it on and off. So that's off now. Take the key with you. You can only use a bike if you've got this key, which is a good backup safety feature. I mean, if anyone did nick it, they didn't have the key, they wouldn't better use it. So that's on now. So there you have it, guys, the Engwe Engine Pro folding fat tyre electric bike. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the ride footage. All in all, I thought the Engwe Engine Pro was okay. I personally wouldn't buy one, as I do prefer e-bikes to be more like bikes. I prefer them to be a lot lighter, and I like it to have an e-bike that's easy to pedal with or without the assist, you know, so you have the option of pedaling it without power. Having said that, it is very good value for money, and you do get a lot of e-bike for the price with some great features. Right, I hope you found this review useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be adding more related content in the near future. See you later, guys.